Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to connect Printify to your TikTok shop. Let's dive right in. First, make sure both your Printify and TikTok shop accounts are ready to use. If not, you can create these accounts by visiting printify.com and seller.tiktok.com to complete the registration process. Once both accounts are set up, log into your Printify account. From the dashboard, navigate to your store and click on Manage My Stores option. In the Store section, click on the Add New Store button located at the upper right corner. Here, you can see various platforms of shopping. Scroll down to the TikTok section and click on the Connect to TikTok button. Now follow the on-screen prompt. You will be redirected to a TikTok authorization page. Log into your TikTok shop account and authorize Printify to access your shop. After authorization, go back to Printify and select the products you want to sync with your TikTok shop. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.